Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we will talk about another SQL 50 question which is invalid tweets. So let's understand the problem statement. We have a very simple table tweets with two columns. Tweet ID is the primary key and is of type int, whereas content is of type varchar. The problem statement says that we have to write a solution to find IDs of invalid tweets. Now, what is the definition of invalid tweets? The tweet is invalid if the number of characters used in the content of a tweet is greater than 15, and it is saying that strictly greater than 15. Return the result table in any order. So it's a very simple problem statement wherein we have a table with two columns, and if you see the sample data, we have a tweet 1, the content is letters code, and we have a tweet with ID 2 and the value is more than 15 chars are here. So that means if the content contains more than 15 characters, that means it's an invalid tweet. But how will I identify that the length of content is greater than 15? For that, we have a function length, and we will pass the content as a parameter to the function and we will get the length of the message. For example, let's select tweet ID, tweet underscore ID, which is required in the output from my table tweets. Okay, where length. Now I will use my length function and I will pass content as a parameter and I will check, hey, is length greater than 15? If length is greater than 15, then that means it's a invalid tweet and we have to show it in the result set. Now I'm gonna run my query and we'll see what happens. Okay, accepted. So that means we are able to write the correct query. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you have found it informative. Thanks for watching.